Hello beauties and welcome. This is Wangali with Two Chic Chicks here to bring you a video today. Our video today is going to be an unboxing, a luxury unboxing may I say. So if you want to know what I picked up in Saks, keep on watching. Okay, let's get into this. Let's just move on into this because I'm excited. Well, this is an item that I purchased, let's see, during Black Friday. So you're getting it kind of late. I was supposed to, okay, I got the item early. I was supposed to get it for my birthday in 2019, but I ended up getting it for 2018, which I'm bringing it to you in 2019. So guess what? You just get it early, whatever. So I'm excited to show you this luxury item that I picked up. My husband and I were over at Saks doing Black Friday. And while we were there, my husband decided that he would get me a luxury handbag. Now I did do an unboxing of a vintage Louis Vuitton on my channel. So I will link that down below. Now that was my first handbag. Luxury handbag purchase, and now I'm here with a second one, 2 in 1 year. Well, we know I won't be getting one for my birthday this year. So I definitely want to show you what it is. So I'm gonna stop yapping and I'm gonna go ahead and get it. So this is it, and I'm gonna be honest. I'm gonna go ahead and tell you, yes, I have carried this. I have. But I put it all back together just so you could see the presentation of what it looked like when I received it. And I think I did a good job on doing it. So this is the bag. It came from Saks. The young lady that helped me there, her name was, I think it was Asia or Ava. I hope her information is still here. I tried to keep everything together so I could be able to show you everything and tell you about the young lady who helped me, which she did a great job. She did a great job of putting everything together, and she was a great help. Really, she was. So I'm gonna get in here as I keep talking. So we were, like I said, we were just in there. I didn't realize I was getting anything, and we had been talking about it. I had been speaking to my husband about a handbag that I liked, and he was like, well, why don't you get it? And I was like, well, I'm saving for it, and I know it's a big ticket item, so, you know, I need to save for it. And he was like, oh, okay. So we walked around at some of the other boutiques in Saks. And while we were there, we went on ahead and went over to YSL. So now you know it's YSL. So we went over to YSL, and I saw a handbag I really liked. And here it is in this box. This is the presentation. Like I said, I put everything back together for you guys so you can get it. I'm telling you, I'm still excited about it. I don't know what to do. So I have done that. Take the top off this. I'm really ready for you to see it. And then this is what it looked like. Okay, so it came in this dust. Oop, I got it upside down, guys. I'm sorry. This dust bag right here. Nice black dust bag. And I am about to show you what it is. Now, this is a little tight dust bag for this handbag. Okay, whew, that took a lot. So, this is it in here. I wrapped it back up. This is it. It is the YSL Jamie patch. It's in the large size. Right here, let me just take all this off. Okay, so this is the front. This is the side. It's lambskin. And it is so soft and buttery and beautiful. Oh my. And here's the handle. You carry it, I'm sorry, let me lean back some. You can carry it, it comes over your shoulder real nicely. I'll give you all some shots later though. So it comes over your arm, or you can carry it like a long strap. It doesn't go crossbody. Well, not on me. It does not go crossbody. So you can just carry it shoulder strap style. Me, I pretty much I carry it like this. Thus far, that's how I've basically been carrying it. Now on the inside, it's in the gold. It has the gold chain with the strap, which I like having the leather at the top so it don't dig the what is this? The chain doesn't dig into your shoulder. Then that YSL is so gorgeous, isn't it? As one zipper back pocket, and this is like I guess it's a fabric. It's not leather or suede or anything. You see it says YSL right there. Is that what it says? Saint Laurent is what it says. And I'm trying to see Saint Laurent Paris. I'm sorry. I don't have my glasses on. Saint Laurent Paris right there. It has one zipper, large zipper pocket here, and then up front right here. I'm gonna flip it this way so you can see it. It has one open pocket, and then it has like 3 card holders right here, 2 or 3 card holders right here. And it's just one open bucket. That's it. This is, oh my gosh. I am so excited to get this. I was surprised more than anything that I got it. So, isn't that great? Oh, it's just beautiful. Looky, looky, looky. This was a purchase. Story time. When I was there, the young lady was so wonderful. She did a great job. And when she brought me my package, it was very nicely wrapped and well taken care of. She did a good job. But I noticed it was in a Saks bag and a Saks box. I said, I'm sorry. I thought I would get a YSL bag and a YSL box. And she said, well, we don't have any. And I said, okay. She said, but if you call a store, you can get a YSL bag and box sent to you. I said, okay. But I was sitting there thinking, like, we don't have a YSL store in Atlanta. So I said, okay. Well, I just picked it up, left with it. You know, I was excited, ecstatic. I left it alone and stuff. I got home and I thought about it. I said, I really would like to have the YSL box and bag. You know, your shopping bag. So I thought, well, I'll go ahead and I'll call the customer service number. So I called customer service. God, I didn't think it would be that hard to get a box and a bag. And when I talked to them, I'm like, come on now. I'm talking to this young man, and he's like, well, you can take it back to the store. This is his answer to me, though. I didn't like it. You can take it back to the store. You can just order offline, and when you order offline, we'll send your bag in a box. That's not the answer I was looking for. The answer I was looking for was, sure, I will call a store because we don't have them here. I will call a store because this is customer service. I will call a store, and I'll have a store send you a box and a bag. That was the answer I was looking for. So he proceeds to take down my name and number. And he said, well, I'll see if I can get a hold of a store that would have a box and a bag to send you. And I'm like, it's a box and a bag. It can't be that hard. This is luxury, you know? I said, this is my first real in-store luxury purchase. I'm not understanding why there was no box and bag there. And anyway, and we're right here at Thanksgiving, Black Friday shopping. And he said, well, we don't give out box and bags to the boutiques inside stores like Saks and so on. I said, but why not? Here we go. Because they have their own box and bag. Yeah, but you have a store inside here that, and I was like, I'm not understanding. He proceeds to say, most stores, department stores that carry YSL don't have boxes and bags. We don't have a box and bag for every item. luxury paying these prices? I want the full experience. I'm sorry. Yes, I would like a box and bag. I said, if I go to Louis Vuitton, next door, I can get a box and a bag in the store, and the store is inside Saks. I'm not understanding. I walk out with their box, their bag, and I'm happy as a lark. You know. So he begins to say again, well, ma'am, I will more than happy go ahead and call a store for you after I had already given him the suggestion. He said, I'll call a store and I'll see what we can do for you. 2 days go by. Finally, I called him back. He said, well, I was waiting for a store to contact me. I said, well, could you not have emailed me and say, I'm still looking for a store who can accommodate what I'm asking for? Which I'm thinking that is the craziest thing. I don't know. My first luxury purchase in the store, so I don't know. Finally, I get a hold to the manager over customer service. She says the same thing this young man almost says, but kind of a little different. And I'm like, ma'am, I'm not understanding. You pay luxury prices for a luxury experience. I want the luxury experience. I want to be able to have the box, the bag, and that's all I'm asking for. I done bought the bag. Do you need me to give you a copy of the receipt? Here she goes, no, ma'am, I don't need you to send me a copy of the receipt. I said, okay, I need you to send me a box and a bag, though. So she finally says this. I would be glad to call in the store to see if I can get you a box and a bag. I'm like, oh my God, this cannot be this hard. So finally, I finally got it at the end of December. Now, we're in November when I'm asking for this. I got it at the end of December, a nice box and bag. Here's the shopping bag I finally got. Isn't it nice? I thought it was when I got it. Here's the box. And I'm sorry I did not keep the box that it came in because I just didn't. YSL and damaged. You know what? I'm over it. I'll just take the damaged box and keep it moving. You gotta do better, YSL. I didn't have such a great experience talking to you guys, but I did with the young lady who worked for Saks. She gave great service. Pick it up, YSL. And guess what Atlanta is soon to get? A YSL store. Isn't that great? Well, I don't buy luxury every day, so that was a bad experience. But I am so happy to have her. I am. I'm ecstatic. So that's the best thing that came out this story was me getting them back. And YSL, I'm not even worried about it. If you have not subscribed, please do so. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the bell so you can be notified as soon as I upload a video. And if you are old subby, thank you so much for sticking with me and coming back to view more videos. I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.
Bombay, Jose, 어때? Yeah, yeah. Violin, champagne, 원해? Yeah, yeah. Don't pay, move it, okay? Yeah, yeah. 너 때문에 무리해? Yeah, yeah. Deuce, Copen, Amstel? Yeah, yeah. Basic, KF, Marseille? Yeah, yeah. 알자, 그렇게 talent? Yeah, yeah. Okay, 말해 여긴 어디든지 가능해. Bombay, Jose, 어때? Yeah, yeah. Violin, champagne, 원해? Yeah, yeah. Don't pay, move it, okay? Yeah, yeah. 너 때문에 무리해? Yeah, yeah. Bombay, Jose, 어때? Yeah, yeah. Violin, champagne, 원해? Yeah, yeah. Don't pay, move it.